So Donald Trump repeatedly raising questions about Ted Cruz's citizenship and whether he's eligible to run for president because he was born in Canada. But Trump admitting on Fox News Sunday he's not sure exactly what the law is.
I don't know. I really don't know. It depends. Does natural born mean born to the land, meaning born on the land? In that case, he's not. But nobody knows what it means. And it hasn't been adjudicated, and it hasn't gone to the Supreme Court. And I'm only saying this, and I speak well of Ted. I'm only saying that Ted has to get this problem solved, because if he's running against a Democrat and they bring a lawsuit, he's got a hell of a thing over his head.
So let's get some questions answered here with Judge Andrew Napolitano, Fox News senior judicial analyst. He says it's wide open on the issue of what a natural-born citizen is. Is it?
No.
No.
It is well settled. It has been established by the Congress for 100 years. A human being born in another country with at least one parent who's an American citizen who lived in the United States for at least 1 year during the parent's life before the birth is an American citizen. That is exactly Ted Cruz's situation. His mother was born here. She's an American citizen. She lived here for more than a year. She and her husband, Ted's dad, were in Canada at the time of Ted's birth. It is well settled. He is a natural-born American citizen. Now, some people may want to raise this the way Donald Trump has. And Donald Trump may actually be doing Senator Cruz a service by raising it now and getting it out of the way. Of course, Ted Cruz spent the weekend talking about this, and I can't imagine that was his favorite topic to talk about. But the law is solidly on his ground. Has the Supreme Court ever reviewed it? Donald Trump is correct. The Supreme Court has never reviewed it because the issue...
never had to.
Correct. The issue has never come up.
Yeah, I mean, John McCain was born in Panama.
Correct.
To two American parents.
There was a little bit of talk when he ran against Barack Obama. It went nowhere because it is well settled. John McCain is a natural-born citizen.
There's only one purpose for bringing this up, and it's to raise the issue in people's minds who may not understand the law.
Correct.
And to put a big question mark in their heads where there really deserves to be absolutely none.
But it's a political question mark.
Really?
It's not a legal question mark. Now, on the issue of a lawsuit, the Constitution doesn't permit the Supreme Court, or any federal court for that matter, to hear a case until it is ripe, until there is real adversity. So could someone in Ohio file a lawsuit in August? Let's say Ted Cruz is on the ticket. Let's say he's the presidential nominee, hypothetically, and say he's not qualified to be on the ballot because he was born in Canada. The Supreme Court would say we're not hearing that. The Constitution doesn't talk about who's on the ballot. It talks about who becomes president. If he's elected and you want us to review it, then it will be.
But if the Constitution wanted it to be people who were born in this country, they would have written, you must be born in the United States of America. That's not what they said.
That's not
they said
what...
you must be a naturally born citizen. At least one parent is a citizen.
Correct.
And lived in the country for 1 year before your birth.
100-year-old statute, never deviated.
Okay. Glad we've got that settled. Done, done, done. Thank you very much.
Somehow I think they're still going to be talking about this, though.
They're not here. We're done.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.